If somebody's looking to redo their deck or build a brand new deck, what should they consider?
There's a lot of things to consider. If you're redoing your deck, size, code, a lot of that is on the contractor side of it. When you come in to see us, we can absolutely help you facilitate the materials. It's better to have a contractor decide what you need to build that because they're the ones doing it. When you come see us design, what kind of railing, what color deck, how the deck and color fits with your house, how we can make it look better, what your options are. Do you want to stay with something on the lower end because the budget doesn't meet that fill? Or if you have no budget, let's look at, the color palette to choose from.